Price Bulk Editor, bulk pricing that rolls back cleanly. You just cut every price by 20%, except one variant. It's shipped at cost, the kind of quiet mistake that ruins a Monday. Every campaign runs through a dry run. Warnings are typed by severity, price below cost, sign errors, statistical outliers, floor breaches. Catch the disaster before it ships. Before we apply, we snapshot the exact prior price. When the sale ends, we replay that snapshot byte for byte. No inverse percentage math, no accumulating drift. Idempotent, resumable, retry safe. If someone manually edits a variant that's under an active campaign from the admin, another app, or an inventory sync, we catch it in seconds. Revert with one click. Write independent prices per market, or target a margin from variant cost, and each new price is computed for you. One campaign, one dry run, one rollback. Validated on catalogs up to 80,000 SKUs. Per batch progress, retrievable errors, resumable rollback. Every apply and rollback in the audit log, exportable as CSV, retained for years. Free plan, no credit card. Try Price Bulk Editor from your store today.